Hello guys, welcome once again. In this video we are going to see the Natas war game. It's it's a war game which can provide a best practice on the website security. Before going to this game, just have an overall read on this introduction and make sure here the all passwords are stored in etc directory and Natas web pass directory and the file which based on the level. So make this as a note before going into the levels. So they have given the username and password for the first level 0. So I've just copied it and paste it here. It will ask for the username and password. So here as they give Natas 0 and Natas 0 as their username and password. So the first thing they'll give the introduction here. They are giving you can find the password for the next level on this page. So straight away right click and look the HTML source code. Yeah, here in the HTML page source you can find the password for the Natas one is this one. So I am just copying it and I've tried to redirect it to the Natas level next level. For the next level I am just changing the number here as the password what we copied. So here you can see they have give the hint you can find the password for the next level on this page, but right clicking has been blocked. Simply we can use the shortcut to see the page source. The shortcut for the page source is Ctrl plus U, and here you can see same as the level 0 is having its password. So Natas level 2. Here you can see they are giving the hint there is nothing on this page. So nothing on this page. Let's see what we can get from the HTML source code anyway. Yeah, we can't get anything, but here there is, you can see in the line 15 there is an image file. They are calling this image file, but you can see this image is inside the file directory. So let's go and check what is in the files directory. Yeah, in the files directory you can see the pixel 1 png image as well as a new file called user text. So just open it. Here you can see the credentials of the user. Our needed credential is Natas 3. So this is the Natas 3 password for the next level. So I am just copying it. So here they are providing the hint there is nothing on this page. So have a look at the source reveals a big hint. So go and check the source code. Here you can see no more information leaks. Not even Google will find it this time. So this not even Google will be is somewhat kind for the attacker to think about the robot text. The robot text, this gives us the knowledge that the robot text file exists, because looking at the file I see that there is a directory called, yeah, okay, before going to that, I'm saying what is a robot's text. It's like a text file used by the web developers or owners to give the instructions about their sites to the web robots. The web robot is a protocol that's used by the search engines to search the web servers, that means websites. For an example, a robot or the web search wants to visit a site, that means it's contain a URL and after slash with the directory, but it can't able to go to the directory. Here you can see the web robot is requesting these kinds of URL, but before it does so, it's first check the robot text of the website whether it can be able to accessible by the robot search. So let's have and go and check what is our robot text file is containing. Here you can see it can be accessible by all the robot search engines. That means, yeah, all search engines, they can accessible, but they can't able to directly call this directory s3cr3t. So we are need to call this as directly. So I am copying this directory name and paste it here and press the enter. So here again, as same as the previous level, it's contain a user text. So I am opening this one. Here you can see the password for the next Natas 4 level is there. So I am copying it there and I am moving to level 4. In the level 4, they are saying access disallowed, you are visiting from, while authorized users should come only from the Natas file. That means here we are at the level of Natas 4, but the thing is we have need to interpret ourselves as the users via Natas file in order to bypass the in order to enter into the server. That means server validate ourselves by checking whether we are a Natas 5 user. So here we have need to capture the packet of this website which is trying to communicate with the server, and we have need to capture the package and we have need to do some changes in the header files in order to predicate that we are Natas 5 user. So for this one I am using tamper data, which is used to collect the traffics. So I have just start the tamper and I refresh this page and it will ask for the tamper. So I am tampering. This is another packet. This is also the another packet. Yeah, this is the one. So here we have need to change the referee headers into 5. That means we are going to say to the server that we are Natas 5 users. So I am okay.